Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Bigo Live account, or else you want to deactivate it, you can also use this process. So let's go ahead and open Bigo Live. Now you can go ahead and click on the Me in the bottom right hand corner. Now press on Settings on the top hand corner and go to Account Management. Scroll down until you see this section over here. As you can see that there is written the delete account. Let me show you how we can go to there again. Click on Me and then go to the settings, click on Account Management, scroll down and click on Delete Account. Now what you need to do is enter your password. After entering your password, press on Next. It will take some time and the authentication will be completed. And now what you need to do is click on Confirm and Continue. Now you need to read this form because this is important, as you can retrieve your account within 30 days, but if you don't open the account within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. It will take some time as the timer is there, and click on the tick and click on Delete Account. After you press on Delete Account again, your account will be deleted. It is clearly written that your account will be deleted if you won't look at it for 30 days. Now there you go, your account has been deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. Expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.